Hello everybody, welcome back, Fumbler here. And yeah, today we're going to have a look on another lock I got from Hunson. And this is a Vachette, I don't know. Very nice logo. The keyway is really interesting. It's not paracentric, but still interesting, yeah. Here's the key, also very nice shape. The model seems to be the Lotus, maybe. It's a 5-pin lock. I already removed the C-clip, so gutting can be a bit easier. And yeah, 5 pins, and I'll be using once again this very nice profile for Moki and this tensioner here in 1.3mm for Multipick, I think. So yeah, without further talking, let's get it in the vise and hopefully I can get it picked. See you back in a second. So here we are back in the vise. Here's the key again. I have to be careful when removing it, but it still works fine. So let's get the tensioner in. Clockwise tension, and yeah, let's go. So if I play my cards right, I can just pick through the warding. This 0.5mm pick. Okay, 1 is good. 2, nothing really. 3, something. 4. 4 still binding. Maybe it's good. 5, nothing. 1 is good. 2 is binding. Okay. 3 binding. Click. Back to 2 because I heard it click. Okay, good. So 1, 2, 3 are good. 4 feels also good. Let's see, 5. Small click. And another click. And we're open. Very nice. That was quick. Oh, wrong direction. Sorry for the shaking here. So we'll just fast forward this quickly. I think it's not super interesting. Okay, welcome back from fast forward. Yeah, nothing special about the coral except that it's super dirty. And yeah, also housing. I left most of the pins in, but just a normal double euro. And for the pins also, no surprise here, all standard. Only the key pins look a bit funny. They're not so pointy, but very round. Maybe that's just due to wear. I don't know. This lock is old. It's quite dirty, but still interesting pick. I've never picked a Vachette, whatever. And yeah, thanks again, Hunson, for sending this to me. And I will quickly build this back together. So thanks to everybody who's still watching, and hope to see you in the next video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And see you in the next video. Bye.